The van.
Todavía falta más.
Oh my.
After a 2-hour drive on a very rough road, we finally made it to Hierve El Agua.
Buenas tardes. Te vamos a sanitizar para poder entrar a Hierve El Agua. Si cierran sus ojos, por favor.
Cierra los ojos.
Close your
Close your
eyes.
eyes, guys. Gracias.
Hierve El Agua is a petrified waterfall 2 hours away from Oaxaca city. Hierve El Agua is a unique natural rock formation in San Lorenzo, Albarradas, Oaxaca, Mexico, and it resembles a waterfall. The petrified waterfalls were created over thousands of years. They formed as a result of the mineral water trickling over the cliff edge and forming 2 waterfalls. The waterfalls are called Cascada Grande and Cascada Chica. The waterfalls are white, while the naturally occurring mineral pools on the edge of the cliff are full of calcium, carbonate, magnesium, and sulfur, giving them a slight yellow color. The calcium carbonate gives the formations a white appearance, but other minerals that can be present in the water, such as silver and iron, can also found and determine the color of the pools, making Hierve El Agua one of only 2 petrified waterfalls in the world. Even though it's called Hierve El Agua, which means water boils, the water was pretty cold. We spent our time in Cascada Chica, which is right at the edge of a cliff, and you can enjoy the most beautiful view of the whole city. It also gives us a stunning view of the Cascada Grande. And now I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the beautiful view of Hierve El Agua.
Okay, so what do you think of Hierve El Agua? It's cold. It says hot spring, so we thought it was hot. It's actually cold, right?
It's cold water.
Yes,
It's cold
water.
and kind of
It's cool.
low water. I thought
Yeah.
it was gonna be bigger, deeper.
Deeper. It's a cool experience, but
We almost
it's supposed to be just 2 in the world. 2 places like this in the world. Really cool. Really awesome. Place in Oaxaca. Kind of hard to get to. People from all over the world, though. Different languages.
Europe. India.
Yep. Very cool place. Hard to get to though. You have to go up a mountain and then come back down. Well, there you go. Hierve El Agua. I think they said the other place like this is in Turkey. So very cool place.
Honey,
Get down here, there's some
honey.
places where you can change, which is this. The walk is not too bad.
Without shoes, it is bad.
There's a big tree. The grandmas are sitting here in the tree. And they're just waiting for us so we can go. Turned out to be a cool place.
Dad, the one thing I hate, the sun's heat has become the one thing I need. Inspirational.
She's cold. So now she wants the sun to come out. Alright.
Later on, I'm gonna be uncold and I'll be like, it's too hot.
Right there. Find one that says women.
We grab some snacks on our way out, hit the road, and get ready for our next adventure in Mitla. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Coco, ¿quieres Coco? Coco. Ay, no me digas que vas a hacer toro. Bravo, you're gonna have that toro, pa? Pa, look at the lamb, look at the lamb.
Yeah. Son bien bonitos todos. Ah, mira, andan plowing, son.